Hi guys, in this video we will see how to sign out from your iCloud drive in your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you want to sign out from your iCloud drive, here are the process. Go to Windows search and open iCloud drive. Here your iCloud drive will open. App using iCloud drive. Here scroll down. From the top right side corner you will find account details. Click on it. Here you will find how many devices connected with your iCloud drive, and you can see your Windows 11 system also connected with it. Click on sign out from the top right corner. A pop-up window will appear. Turn off iCloud drive. If you turn off iCloud drive, all files stored in cloud will be deleted from this PC. Your files will still be available on other devices using iCloud. Choose delete from PC. And you can see your iCloud drive in your Windows 11 PC is successfully signed out or logged out from your Windows 11 system. That's all.